This series on the Garden Gurus, we are opening up the gardener's toolbox, filled with solutions and ideas to solve your garden problems. A beautiful lawn is a sight to behold, and I love spring because that's when lawns get going again. Mowing and watering are two of the basics, but for that next level lawn care, you need to be weed-free and feeding regularly, and this will get your lawn soft, lush, and barefoot ready. An easy way to do both is with weed and feed. This controls a range of lawn weeds and feeds at the same time. You just connect it to the hose and spray, giving your lawn a good cover. There are two formulas, one for Cooch, Kikuyu and ryegrass lawns, and Buffalo Pro, the one that I'm using, specifically designed for buffalo. Both selectively kill common weeds like bindi-eye clover, thistle and dandelion, to name a few. The fertiliser keeps your lawn healthy and strong, in so helping it outcompete weeds, which is what you want.